So you want to know what fits in the CaseCome electric toothbrush travel case. Well, what can it fit exactly? Quite a lot. Pretty much everything you need for your oral care. It is a hard-covered EVA case. Very nice. It does come in other colors. It's easy to clean. Now let's check out what we can fit inside. There's our standard size electric toothbrush. Fits nicely in there. Toothbrush head number 1. You can also fit another toothbrush head right in here as well. And then right here in the zipper case, because you're gonna need your charging cord, right? Here this is, no problem. And guess what, guys? I even threw in a tube of toothpaste. I despise putting things in plastic when I travel. Now I have everything that I need, and if I make a mess or my kids make a mess, it's going to be easy to clean up. It'll all be contained right in this little case.